hands. Welcome back to Dreamcraft Creation, and today we're going to have a blast solving this super cool dinosaur puzzle together. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's get started. First, let's dump out all the pieces. Whoa, look at all these pieces. They're everywhere. This is going to be so much fun. Okay, we need a plan. Let's put all the edge pieces in one pile and the middle pieces in another. Sorting the pieces helps us find what we need faster. Plus, it's like a treasure hunt. Do you see pieces with straight edges? Those are the ones we need for the border. Awesome, let's do this. Alright, let's start with the border. This is the frame of our puzzle. It's like building the walls of a castle. Look for pieces with a straight edge and try to fit them together. We've got this. Hey, look! I found a corner piece. Let's put it right here. Yay, we're making progress. Keep going until we have the whole frame done. It's starting to look like a real puzzle now. Now let's work on the middle. Oh, wow! Look at these pieces with green and brown colors. I bet they belong to our triceratops. Let's try to fit them together. Grouping pieces by color or pattern is a great trick. It's like solving mini puzzles within the big puzzle. Do you see any green pieces with a rough texture? Those probably go together. Let's find out. If you see a piece that looks like it belongs to a dinosaur, shout it out. We're a team, and we can do this together. It's like our treasure map, guiding us to the final picture. Thanks for joining me on Dino Puzzle Adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun videos. See you next time. Bye. It's always more fun when we work together, and I can't wait to see you in the next video for another exciting adventure. Whether we're solving puzzles, exploring new games, or learning something new, there's always something fun to do. So keep playing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun. When you're working on a puzzle, it's like going on an epic adventure. You start with a bunch of jumbled pieces, and bit by bit, you start to spot a piece that fits just because someone else moved it closer to the right spot. It's a great way to practice teamwork and communication. And it's so much more fun to celebrate together when you finally put in that last piece. Do you remember the tips we shared? Look for pieces with similar colors and patterns, find unique shapes, take your time, and enjoy the process. These tips make puzzle solving not just easier, but also more enjoyable. And speaking of enjoyment, did you notice how the picture started to come alive as we placed more pieces? Each dinosaur began to take shape, and it was like bringing a story to life. And now, as we admire our completed puzzle, it's a moment of pure joy. Look at all those amazing dinosaurs. Each piece we placed was a step towards this final picture. It's a great reminder that even the smallest efforts can lead to something big and beautiful. So, what did we learn today? Puzzle solving is not just about putting pieces together, it's about patience, teamwork, and enjoying the journey. It's a great way to relax and have fun, whether you're doing it alone or with friends. And the best part? You end up with a wonderful picture that you created with your own hands. Thanks again for joining me on Dino Puzzle Adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun videos. I can't wait to see you in our next adventure.